Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably eager to transfer your USDT from Gmce to Binance in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your crypto portfolio or just moving funds for trading, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and secure. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gmce and Binance. You'll need some USDT in your Gmce wallet and the exact deposit address from Binance. Always double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 1. Log into your Gmce account. Head over to their website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section to view your balances. Step 2. Select USDT from your assets. Look for the Withdrawal option, usually labeled as Withdraw or Transfer Out. This is where you'll initiate the process. Step 3. Enter the recipient details. Go to Binance first. Log in there and find your USDT deposit address under the Deposit section. Copy that address carefully, then paste it into the withdrawal form on Gmce. Don't forget to select the USDT network, like TRC20 or ERC20, to match what Binance supports. Step 4. Review and confirm. Double-check the amount you're sending, the address, and any fees involved. Gmce might charge a small transaction fee, so factor that in. Once you're sure, hit confirm and wait for the network to process it. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour. Step 5. Verify on Binance. After the transfer, log back into Binance and check your wallet. You should see the USDT deposited soon. If it doesn't show up, give it time or contact support. A quick word of caution. Always use the correct network to prevent lost funds, and never share your private keys. That's it, you've successfully transferred your USDT. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.